I just found a brand new AI tool that introduces a new way for you to connect with people that actually shows your value. Because instead of you just sending somebody a LinkedIn request or your resume, you need a better way, and AI now makes this possible. Because let's face it, opportunities aren't chased. That's the old way of doing things. In today's day and age, they're attracted. And when you have somewhere that can truly communicate your value 24/7, it opens you up to the right possibilities finding you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this AI tool is, how you could use it, and why I'm so excited about it for 2026 and beyond. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Dink.me, because this is going to allow you to set up your Dink card, which is going to be one card where people can come to find out everything about you. This allows you to add photos, add videos, move things around. You can connect it to your LinkedIn, your GitHub, your X, your YouTube, and more. Basically, this is a live profile that is constantly updating itself. You could customize it, and it's mobile friendly, which basically acts as an AI career agent for you. This allows you to get insights, to network, and to find a ton of different opportunities. And here's how you set it up. Simply going to come over to Dink.me. You're going to click on sign up right here. And then this is going to go ahead and ask you for your email, your password, and the invite code, which you have to go through and fill out quick. And by the way, if you need an invite code, make sure that you use Rob AI. Okay, so now that we're signed up here, we could see right here that we could go through and we can actually choose our username. I'm going to make mine Dink.me/Rob, the AI guy. From here, we just need to click on claim your Dink. From here, what we are able to do is we are able to upload tons of different materials in order to actually set up our Dink card. So the first thing that we need to upload is our resume here. So I'm going to come over here. For this, I'm just going to use this resume for the sake of this. So we're going to upload this resume right here. And then we can actually add in different profile URLs if we wanted to. For example, LinkedIn. The way that you do that is just making sure that you're clicking on your feed. So I'm going to grab my LinkedIn URL. We're going to paste this over here. We're going to click on continue. And now what this is going to do is this is going to go through, this is going to analyze this, and this is actually going to begin to populate your Dink card. But remember, you can go through and you could customize this in so many different ways that I'll show you in just a second once this is done analyzing. Okay, so now that that's been done, we could see that LinkedIn has populated here, and now we could go through and we could populate this with YouTube, with X, with Instagram, with Google Scholar if you have that, and with your own websites. Now I have all of these except for Google Scholar, so what I would do is I would just fill in the ones that you actually have. We could click on next right here. Again, we could see that our Dink card has now successfully been created. So we're going to come over here and we could see all of these different things that we are able to do here. We could see right here that we could actually customize this. This is going through and this is setting this all up with AI. Now, I do need to just change this quickly. We'll make this Robert Benjamin. We could see all of my different work experience, YouTube, finance, intern. I have a bachelor's degree. If we wanted to, we could put our email address here. We could put our location here. We could put our time zone. And as you can see, you could come through and you can actually customize all of this. Right now, we're going to put this as Palm Beach. I'm not going to put my email in here for this second, but we could come over here. I am on New York City time zone, so we're going to go with that. And we could actually customize this however we want. In addition to that, what you're also going to notice are a few other things. If we click on Discover right here, this is where we could go through and actually ask Dink things. There are several ways that you can actually use this. For example, if we scroll down right here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different papers here that are being spotlighted. And if we click on filter right here, we could go through different conferences, different years, different paper levels, or different research directions. And this will actually tell you who is in these papers and things like that. For example, if we click on find authors right here, this will then go through and find the authors here. Now, while this does that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show off another way that you could actually use this. For example, coming under Dink Fellows, and you can search for verified experts on Dink Fellows. So we could say, find us people that specialize in LLMs if that's what we wanted to look for. And then this is going to go through and very quickly show us a bunch of people under here that are verified for that. For example, this individual right here, and then we could click to message them, or we could view their Dink profile right here. And then if we come back and check on this other one that was finding us all of the different authors from this paper that we were interested in and we wanted to highlight, we can now come down here and see that this is grabbing all of their basic information. It's going through and enriching them, it's verifying them, and then we're going to see everybody from under here. We can see if they have anybody in our network. We can enrich this, we can analyze this, or we could come over and if they're already on Dink, we could actually look at their profile and see everything about them. And this is a really easy way for you to be able to connect with people. But then also, if you're showing up in papers, you could have this go through, and this is a great way for you to get discovered for the research or for the work that you're doing. For example, we could come over here and click on this individual whose profile is complete, and we could see all the different things that they're focused on, where they studied. We could see the different things that they have linked here. We could come over here and enrich this, and this will go through and actually enrich their profile for us, and we could see all the different publications. We could come over here and we could analyze their LinkedIn, their Google Scholar, or we could see if we have anybody in common with them inside of our network. And then the other way that you're able to actually use this is just searching for global talent. For example, we could say something like, I'm looking for mobile app developers that have worked at OpenAI. We just come over here, we're going to fix this. And then what this is going to do is actually do a research process for people that fit those multiple criteria. And then this actually goes through, finds us these different candidates here, pulls in their basic information. It's going to enrich them. It's going to verify them. And then we'll be able to see all of their profiles right here. And this is all the people that match that specific criteria that we just searched for. But then in addition to that, you can come over here and you can actually see your inbox. You could see different openings. You could discover different things here. And if we come back over to my Dink right here, you will see how this populates, which I really like a lot. So this goes through LinkedIn and actually gives you like a visual of where you've been, how long you've been there for. I can't believe that it's coming up on 7 years that I've been doing YouTube. We could see this YouTube channel. It shows the subscribers, shows the views, shows my latest video. We could see X. We could see Instagram. We could come over here and see a network here, which is pretty powerful and pretty awesome. You have your website right here. You have different career trajectories right here, which is really, really cool. Now, in addition to that, if you wanted to, you could add in additional links right here. So you could customize your Dink if you have something like GitHub, or if you have like a portfolio and you wanted to show that off, you would be able to do that here. You could also click on here and you could go through and see all of the different things that you could add. Again, things like GitHub, things like Hugging Face. You could go through and create different modules and different things that are going to show up, like a summary. For example, we could click on that and then we could literally go through and we could outline all of this if we wanted to. In addition to that, we could come over here, we could regenerate this, we could update this, we could come into the settings and see like how to load up verification and do all things like that. And if we come over here, this will show you what this actually looks like on a computer versus on a mobile device. And again, this is really powerful because now you could come over here, you can click on share, and you could share this to X, you could get a link, you could download this, you could just give people your link here, or you could actually give people this QR code. And I really like the touch where it actually puts your profile picture in the middle of this, which kind of makes this incredibly personalized. And again, what this is going to do is this is going to have you get off the hamster wheel of trying to find opportunities, and you begin to attract opportunities. And one of the other things that you can do is you can move these around. So like my most impressive things when it comes to Rob the AI guy are my Instagram account, my YouTube, and then also my TikTok. So I might want to put these up here and then show off my network to see everybody that I'm connected to. And basically you could move all these things around and customize things, because if you're only relying on something like a resume or LinkedIn, you just have way less customization there. Doesn't really do a good job of actually showing things off. And this gives people a way more clear picture of what you've done, where you're headed in the future, where you currently are, and it lets them explore so many different things about you. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with Dink today for free, because it's time that you stop chasing opportunities and those opportunities start coming to you, because this new AI tool allows you to truly showcase your value without doing something like a resume.